How to enable PayPal payments in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple, easy, and very quick it is to set up the payment methods into your Hostinger website. So it is going to be here a very important step to do since you are going to have a store into your specific Hostinger website. So you're going basically here to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to set up the website. So we are going to click on websites list, and then we are going to wait for the websites to appear. Now we are going basically to select the websites that contain a store because this is the method that will work well. So if you are going to see a dashboard, that means that your website does not contain a store. But if you are going to see the button of manage store and a cart, it is going to be applicable in here. So we are going to select or click on manage store. Now we are going basically to wait for the ecommerce.hostinger.com to respond to our demand in here. And then we can go ahead and set up the store. So we are going to put here a store name. For example, I'm going to put this as a debut. Now, what are we going to do is to see the products, which is going to be the first thing. At least have here some products so you can go ahead and set up the payments and test them out. So we have here some, as you can see, samples. We have the appointments and everything. Now what we're going to do is to head over the settings, click on payments, and you can go ahead and see, depending on your region, you're going to have here, as you can see, the payments methods. For example, I'm going to type in here friends, or we're going to have here friends. So I'm going to search for friends, and you're going to see that we are going to get more payment methods. So as you can see here, we have Paysera, we have PayPal, Stripe, and etc. So you can go ahead and connect your specific PayPal button by clicking on connect, but it unfortunately it need a business plan to do that. So basically it is going to be a very simple step. After you have got the business plan, you're going to get a little let's say here window that will take you to PayPal, and it will demand from you to agree so you can connect the two platforms in here and get the merchant account. Do not forget that you need a PayPal business account and not a regular one. So when you finish that, it is going to be checked and also connected. You're going to see them on the product page under the buy button. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.